So today's job is a 2004 Movano van, same as the Citroen and Renault. I think Fiat's about the same. I'll show you the door lock. I'm going to spin camera around, but it's easier. There's the door lock. Key had snapped, couldn't use it, so we've ordered a set of locks off of eBay. 2 keys, 4 locks. Swapped them all. I'm just going to show you how to do this inside once the door panel's off. Window winder, give it a good pull. Oh. And it pops off. It's just clipped on, and then reverse. Obviously, just shove it on. Get it off. Oh, now put it on big time. Get it off, pull. Right. 1, 2, 3. Pop the plug. 4. Pop the other plug. You get to 5, 6. 6. What are they? 25s, I think. Let me have a look. 20s. So I've got a little 20 on a ratchet screwdriver. Remove the 30 out of there and the 30 from the top there, and then the door panel just lifts up and pops off. Right, so the door panel is off. 10mm there, 10mm there, 30 torques there. That removes that anti-drill plate and the window channel. I'll show you once we're inside. You can't get your fingers in. So basically push that down to take it off, fit your new one, and then spin it back up, put it on, and then re-bolt this up in position. I did actually forget to press record and record the last little bit, which is just putting it all back together in reverse order.